Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will start with Chapter 1 Integers. We already covered this topic, the basic of integers, in class 6th. Let's recall. Now what is integer? Now 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the countings number, or we can say these are the natural numbers. Yes. Now when you add a 0 to it, now the list will become a whole number list. Now the 0 is in the list and 1, 2, 3, they are without any sign. So we can consider them as positive numbers. Now if we include this negative part, negative list of numbers in this list, then as a whole this list will become integers. So finally we can say the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on which we use for counting are known as natural numbers. The natural number along with 0 form the collection of whole number. The whole number along with negative numbers form the collection of integers. Finally, you can show integer list as it will include all negative whole numbers, 0 and all positive whole numbers. Now, how will you represent integers on number line? So, what is number line? For that, you will draw a line which will move endlessly in both the direction. As you can see in this number line, 0 is in the center. Right to it, all positive integers, left to it, all negative integers. Here, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, let's say I want to compare two integers 1 and 3. Now, as you can see, 3 is on the right of 1. We can say 3 is greater. Now, 0 and 2. Again, in this pair, 2 is on the right of 0, so 2 is greater. So, the positive integers are always greater than 0. Now consider minus 1 and minus 4. Now here we can see minus 1 is on the right of minus 4. So, minus 1 is greater as comparison to minus 4. And if we consider 0 and minus 3, so here we can say 0 is on the right of minus 3, so 0 is greater. So when we compare 0 with a negative integer, always 0 is greater. So here we conclude it as positive integer is always greater than the negative integers. 0 is always less than positive integers, whereas 0 is always greater than negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, let's try this. We are supposed to compare 0, 8. Yes, 8 is greater. 8 is positive and it is greater than 0. 5 minus 5. Here we can see one integer is positive, one is negative. So yes, which one is greater? Positive. Next, one is negative, one is 0. So, as I already told you, always 0 is greater than the negative integers. So, 0 is greater here. Next, minus 4 and 5. Again, a set of negative and positive integer. Which one is greater? Yes, positive. Now, moving to exercise 1.1. Here, this is your question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now, a number line is given to you. Your first subpart is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. We will start from right. So, the first city from the rightmost place is Bangalore. And as you can see, it is marked after 20, the second, on the second marking. So it is 22 degrees Celsius. Moving to next, toward left, it's Ooty. Now it is after 10 on the fourth mark. That is, it's 14 degrees Celsius. Next is Shimla. It's on 5. Next is Srinagar. Now here it's on the left of 0. So it's negative. And it is on the second mark. So it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Next is Lahul Spiti. It's after minus 5 on the third mark. So we will count it as minus 6, minus 7 and then minus 8. So this is your final answer for first part. Moving to the second part of the same question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coolest place among the above? We are supposed to find the hottest place first. So which one is hottest here? The value which is on the right. Yes, greater the value, the greater it is hot. Yes, you can decide the hottest place as per their value. Greater the value, greater is the hotness. Now, so here you can see the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius and the city is Bangalore. Now the coolest place means here you will see the value which is the smallest. That is the leftmost value. It's minus 8. Now you are supposed to find the difference between them. So if you want to find the difference between the two values, just first value subtract with the second value. Now when you open the bracket here, as there is a minus sign outside the bracket, you will see the change in the sign of the value which is there inside the bracket. So we will get 22 plus 8 now. Add them. Yes, the final answer is 30 degrees Celsius. Moving to next part. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? First you will write the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Next, temperature of Srinagar. You have to find the difference. Now dear children, whenever we are supposed to find the difference, we subtract the smaller value from the larger. Now here, which value is the greater here? Yes, it's minus 2. So while finding the difference, first you will write minus 2 and then minus 8. Subtract the 2, open the bracket, change the sign. Now, one is negative, one is positive. We will subtract the 2 and the answer will have the sign of the greater value. That is 6 degrees Celsius. So this is a temperature difference between the mentioned cities. Moving to question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So, what is given to you in the question is Jack's score in 5 rounds. 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What you are supposed to find here is total. Total means whatever values are given to you, you are supposed to add them all. So, first value, add it to second, add it to third, fourth and fifth. Here, I am writing negative integers inside the bracket. Why? Just to separate the two signs. Yes. Now, as you can see, there are 5 integers. Out of this 5 integers, the first integer and the last 2 integers are having same sign. So we will add them first. Same sign means add. When you will add these 3 integers, we will get 50. Now, the left two integers are of same sign. You will add them too. Here, after adding these two, we will get minus 15. Now, two integers are left. One is positive, one is negative. Yes, different sign means subtract them. So the answer is 35. So you can write the answer statement as is his total at the end was 35. Moving to question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So, temperature of Tuesday we will find on the basis of Monday. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Yes, temperature on Wednesday we will find with respect to Tuesday. So the very first thing given to you is temperature on Monday. So first you will write temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. The next line given to you is it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means it is reducing. Reducing means you have to take away something. It means you have to subtract this value from the temperature on Monday. So first you will mention it in sentence. Temperature dropped on Tuesday equals to 2 degrees Celsius. As we mentioned here dropped. So to find out the value of temperature on Tuesday, first you will write the value of Monday. And because the condition is dropped here, so first you will write minus 2. Now values here you will add. Why? Because the sign are same. So answer will have the same sign. So this is the temperature on Tuesday. Now moving to the next part. It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Now the second condition is temperature rose up on Wednesday. Rose up means it's increasing. Increasing means you are adding something to it. So you will add this value to the temperature which was on Tuesday. So temperature on Wednesday will be, first write the temperature on Tuesday and you will add 4 to it. Because here the condition is temperature rose up. So one is negative, one is positive. Finally subtract. Sign of the greater value, it's minus 3. Now question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? What is given to you here is plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters. So first you will write plane is flying at a height above sea level 5,000. Submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. So next the statement is submarine is moving at a depth below sea level equals to 1200 meters. Now you are supposed to find the vertical distance between them. Now here as per the condition, there is a plane, there is a submarine. The height of the plane above sea level is 5,000 and the depth of submarine is 1200. Here the distance, separate distance of plane and submarine is given to you. You have to find the total distance between them. Again, I am asking you to find total. Total means just add both the values. Here we will not consider the sign because we are supposed to find the total gap between them. Yes. So 5,000 plus 1200. Yes, the answer is 6,200 meter. This is your final answer. Question number 7. In magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Now, a square is given to you with certain values in rows and columns. You are supposed to find whether it's a magic square or not. For that, the condition is each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Now, this is the square that you are supposed to solve here. First, we will start with rows. Now, the very first row is this one, which is now highlighted. So, you are supposed to add all the three values which is present in the first row. We will add these values. Here you can see the last two values are of same sign. Add them first. We will get 5 as it is with minus 5. Now, as you can see here, first number is 5, second is minus 5, same value with different sign, cancel them, or finally you will get 0. Moving to the next row, that is your second row. Again the highlighted row here, add all the values. First two values, same sign, add them first. You will have minus 7 with plus 7 next to it. Again same value with different sign, final answer 0. Moving to third row, add all the values. Yes, 0 plus 3, a number. Whenever we add a number to 0, you get the number itself. Followed by minus 3, same value, different sign, answer is 0. Yes, here you can see all the three rows have the sum 0. Now moving to column. Column means vertical. Yes, so first column. Add all the value of the highlighted part. 5 minus 5, 0. When you add 0 to negative or positive, you get the same number. So we get here 5 plus minus 5. Same value, different sign, answer, yes, 0. Next, second column. It's minus 1, minus 2 and 3. First two values you can add with the same sign. It's minus 3 plus 3. Same value, different sign, final 0. Move to next column. Yes, it's minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. First and the last have same sign. Add them now, followed by plus 7. Same value, different sign. This will sum up to 0. Again, we can see all the columns have the sum 0. So till now, all the rows and all the columns sum up to same number, that is 0. Now we will check the last part, that is diagonal. Now, same square, now we will check for diagonal. So, diagonal means a slanted area. Yes, so like this one is your diagonal 1. So you will add all the values in the highlighted part. Add them. Again last two, same sign. We will get minus 5. Same value, different sign, 0. Now check the next diagonal, the last diagonal. Now add all the values. I am starting from top. Minus 4, minus 2, 0. Add the first two value, it's minus 6 plus 0. Now as you can see, adding 0 to negative integer, you will get the number itself. Now here what you will see is all the rows, all the columns are giving you the sum 0. Even your first diagonal is giving you the sum 0. But the last diagonal is giving you the different sum. So is the square given to you is a magic square? No, it's not a magic square. So we can write this box is not a magic square because all the sums are not equal. I hope whatever I explained you is clear to you all. Thank you for today. That's all. God bless you all.